Sørvágs Tónleikarfelag is a brass band which was founded in 1859. The brass band is most active in the winter half year, and rehearsals are also done in this period. The band gives concerts and performs at other public events such as the Flag Day ceremony. Most concerts are held in December, at Christmas parties, in church and in old people's homes. Sørvágs Tónleikarfelag has also travelled abroad. Around 20 to 25 musicians of both sexes make up the brass band, and the youngest member is 14 years old. The training centre is located in the old school, Gamle Skole, built in 1887, but the old school has recently undergone enlargements and a rebuilding.